Hello students, welcome back to your maths class. Today we have a discussion for a new topic, that is derivatives of parametric functions. Let me clear you this, what is actually parametric functions. So students, when we have two variables, suppose x and y, and both x and y are expressed in terms of a third variable, then such type of functions are called parametric functions. For an example here, suppose x is equal to ft. It means if x is expressed in terms of a variable t and y is also expressed in terms of t, then here t is called a parameter and x and y are called parametric functions. Now the question here is that how to find out the derivative of such type of parametric functions. So let's have a look. An example here, if x is equal to a sec cube theta and y is equal to a tan cube theta. Here x and y are expressed in terms of theta, so theta will be the parameter. Now we have to find out dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3. So for this purpose, first of all, what we will do, we will try to differentiate x with respect to theta as well as y with respect to theta. Okay, so let's see here. First we will find dx upon d theta will be equal to a is a constant 3 sec square theta into, and derivative of sec theta by chain rule, sec theta tan theta. Okay, similarly here dy by d theta is equal to a is constant again, a into derivative of this tan cube theta will be 3 tan square theta, and by chain rule again derivative of tan theta, that will be sec square theta. So we have dx upon d theta and dy upon d theta. Now we will find out dy upon dx. So there is a formula for this. This implies dy by dx is obtained by dividing second from first. So you can see here, you have to remember this formula always, dy upon d theta upon whole upon dx upon d theta. See student, here d theta will be cancelled out of d theta, you will get dy upon dx, which is our requirement. Now it means dy by theta is given here 3a sec square theta tan square theta upon dx upon d theta is given by 3a sec square into sec theta, that will be sec cube theta multiplied by tan theta. Okay, so you will get here 3a will be cancelled out by 3a, square will be cancelled out by this cube, and tan theta will be cancelled out by this. Then we will get here dy by dx is equal to tan theta upon sec theta. If we will try to solve it, we will get here sin theta. If we will solve this, then we will get here sin theta. After solving this, because tan theta is equal to sin upon cos and sec theta is cos theta, so we will get here sin theta. This implies, since dy by dx we obtain here sin theta, and we have to find out dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3. Therefore dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3. It means you have to find out the value of derivative of y with respect to s at theta is equal to pi by 3, and we have already dy by dx is equal to sin theta. So putting here sin theta in place of theta, you will put pi by 3. So you will get here sin pi by 3, that will be equal to sin 60 degree, and that is root 3 by 2 is answer. Okay, in such a way you can differentiate any parametric functions. Okay, and you can get the value at given condition. So we will do more question after this. Thank you.